This is important if you own or manage a business or have a job in sales and believe in taking action. During this pandemic, many businesses have stagnated, degrown, or shut down. Being a business coach and consultant, I get many calls from anxious business owners and sales managers asking for tips on ways to sustain sales and grow during these hard times. To all of them, I have given a simple yet unique 5 steps formula. They have been able to easily implement this formula in their business and got good results. Hence, they have been able to successfully take care of their family, staff, and community during this pandemic. To help large number of business owners and sales professionals like you across the world, I've explained these 5 gears in detail in a 44 minutes video, which you can watch any number of times and take benefit from. Along with the 5 gears, I have also talked about 350 plus profit making strategies from which you can choose the suitable ones for your business. So act now by clicking on the link below, download the video and get going on the 5 gears right away. All the best.